I was looking around to come back from Florida, back to New York where my kids are. And I looked all over and they looked all over for a good location and a nice community and something which is desirably affordable. And my sons located this place and they sent me the details, and I came over and I looked at it and I liked it because it's a very nice community. When I saw the community with my own eyes and looked around and saw it was well maintained and it was affordable, and it's not too far from the New York City if I need to go to the city. So that's how I chose this place. I lived in my own house, a 4-bedroom house, for almost 50 years, 47 years to be exact. And when I moved back into a smaller apartment, it was kind of tough to adjust. But now, I think this is, it's okay with me because I don't have to do much more cleaning. You know, I don't have too many bathrooms, just one bathroom, one toilet. So the cleaning part is taken care of. Yeah, the staff, and especially in the management office, they've been very helpful and very friendly. And even the people who do the maintenance, they are very polite and nice people. So I see a lot of people, good people, you know, friendly people. That is what you are mainly looking for. As you get older, you need your own kind of crowd, which was a plus for I selected this, chose this community. I've been here for a few months, maybe 2 or 3 months. Then I realized that this is the place that I want to live.